Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Financial Wizard channel. I'm your host, Alex. Buckle up because today, we're taking a thrilling ride through the financial galaxy. Our destination, the future of safe havens, Bitcoin versus bonds. Before we blast off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss an update from us. For ages, bonds have been the beloved child of investors. But Bitcoin, the audacious rebel, is rocking the boat. So, what lies ahead? First up, let's get to know our contenders. Meet Mr. Bonds, mature, predictable, and stable. He's been around for centuries. Then we have Ms. Bitcoin, the new kid on the block, chain. She's young, unpredictable, and oh so daring. But wait! What are safe havens? Imagine a financial storm, and your hard-earned money needs shelter. Safe havens are investments that keep your money safe during economic turmoil. Now, let's go head-to-head. Round 1, returns. Bonds are like that old friend who never lets you down, but also never surprises you. You get slow and steady returns. On the other hand, Bitcoin is like riding a roller coaster blindfolded. Sky-high returns? Sometimes. But it can also take a nosedive. Round 2, accessibility. To buy bonds, you often need to go through brokers or the government, which can be a hassle. But with Bitcoin? Hop onto an exchange and bam, you're in the game. Round 3, inflation protection. Bonds can lose value over time due to inflation. That's like watching your ice cream melt away. Not fun. Bitcoin, being limited in supply, has been called digital gold and could offer protection against inflation. Round 4, regulation and safety. Bonds are like the teacher's pet, heavily regulated and relatively safe. Bitcoin, however, is like the daredevil on a skateboard, less regulated and more vulnerable to scams. Final round, adoption trends. Bonds have been the classic choice, but we're seeing a plot twist. Big companies, even countries, are starting to embrace Bitcoin. The verdict? It's too early to crown a winner. For a well-rounded portfolio, maybe it's not about picking a side. Perhaps Mr. Bonds and Ms. Bitcoin can work together. Diversification might just be the secret sauce in this financial recipe. Mixing the stability of Mr. Bonds with the boldness of Ms. Bitcoin could be a game changer. But wait a second. Let's jump into our time machine and check out the future. Destination, the financial world, 20 years ahead. Welcome to 2043. Let's check how our contenders have evolved. Bitcoin has evolved as a global phenomenon. With technological advancements, it's not as volatile and is now widely accepted for everyday transactions. And look! Bonds have transformed too. Green bonds are financing environmentally friendly projects and fighting climate change. Wow! Both bonds and Bitcoin have found new purposes and paths. Back in the present, remember that the financial galaxy is ever evolving. Investments that seem rock solid today could be floating debris tomorrow, and today's shooting stars could be tomorrow's supernovas. So, what's the secret to navigating this space? Research, diversification, and maybe a little bit of stardust from both Mr. Bonds and Ms. Bitcoin. Before we wrap up, let's ask our financial oracle. Wise you are, to combine the old with the new. But vigilant you must stay, as the winds of the financial galaxy constantly change. There you have it, folks. A blend of the ancient wisdom of Mr. Bonds with the exuberance of Ms. Bitcoin could be your ticket to stellar financial health. But what do you think? Are you Team Bitcoin, Team Bonds, or Team both? Comment below. If this video got your financial engines roaring, hit that like button and share it with your fellow space travelers. Until next time, this is Alex, your captain through the financial cosmos, signing off. May your portfolios be ever prosperous.